Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G42, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, the paperclip or this little tool, you want to take out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device right over here. Push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray comes out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. Let me just quickly grab one. There we go, I have an SD card. So SD card will go right over here, like so. Now it is fitted, so you don't need to press it in there. So if you flip it over, the card should stay in place. There we go. Place your SIM as well. Now SIM, it's held in place but barely. And once the cards are in place, you want to carefully insert it back into the device, like so, and both of these cards should start working right away. So it is detecting SD card, though it's telling me that there is an issue with it. And when it comes down to the SIM card that I inserted is deactivated, so it won't actually work, but the phone should still see it if I go into here, and you can see that it does. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.